Fossil-based material, like obviously petrol oil, being extracted and accumulating hundreds of millions of years under the surface of the earth, and bio-based material are material that comes from renewable resources. So we have a showcase here of different renewable resources, for example corn, beetroot, very common material that can be used for bio-based production. So the idea is to replace whatever is possible. Polymers, they have similar properties, but don't come from fossil fuel resources, but they come from renewable resources.
So the kids are gonna learn according to the order, the sequence they use for the assemblage, they make different polymers. Yeah.
This is not biodegradable, while this is biodegradable and compostable. And they just return to the constitutive elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and they don't pollute.
So first they're gonna learn how to assemble them, and then they're gonna learn the environmental impact according to how they assemble them. Okay, and then they connect them to real life objects.
For example, there is a code here that is number 7, and it's a code of the polymer. It is PLA, polylactic acid. So this fully biodegradable polymer that you can touch and feel. It's transparent. It's performing exactly as this one, very similar. This instead is a polypropylene that is a fossil fuel based polymer that is not going to be biodegradable. So as you can see, this is mono-use type of plastic.
Also, you're teaching kids how to break down objects according to their chemical makeup, basically.